Question na Obi Bisa Bawumia no was straight. Was say, oh, free enough. Ejimo ba ban mu project ben na obeti bi do nsasi okokoso aka say. Sa project we the signature project. Just a project a dimu pa ayeye word north. The question was clear. Bawumia repeat here was say signature project o my dear. Poalugu Dam and the number 1. That is all my project. Kojo Pokun Safwa. Woka and wonka wo baby and ye board in a trail. Waferi when ye woo. Afi was I go so Facebook. Ejreche buka se obika se ya ye bibia. No interest we. What do you mean? Ah, MPP for bra. Eti dear pa na eyemo. Dear pa na eyemo. Say, nipa na ka say yaye. Ono no interest ye wie. Was a signature project. Moye ewo north. Was it north for hot dear? Signature project. Project eye number 1. Yaye from 1957 since independent. Eye Poalugu Dam. Da ban bia ba no de nanu aba beto Poalugu Dam eso so wontimi nye etia ye mo adom aba be ye dam no anaja ye dam wa de do 2024 wa na wasakoko gina nkrofo adim ana wo behwe na mo aye Poalugu Dam wo behwe no mo aye Poalugu Dam minia anu mienu ya de kwan enu ana public accounts committee auditor general kokoye yi no hu se bibi nkoye enti no ye tue sika bi $11.9 million omo atro se final payment to Poalugu Dam ade ebisa omo se ekohe omo se omo di kokoye project wo ana then ye kan say then this wo minority ado mutamo ka ado muko Poalugu Dam am say John Jina pompo de di animu wo moko duru ho a blog ba ku se kra ni ho anya mpo ye nsa bi fam go site ho that just a $12 million in a coffin fa that just what the treasury what this cano sasi cano so na auditor general ye no eye mobilization wo koye project na ekasi ya mobilization it means say wo ko she project na se eye sika wo de ko she project na se she MPP ni editra especially Kojo Poku Safwa oditra wo de otitivi so a wo hu se o han nani a that just oditro she the way I was say han nani extra so Owusu Dr. Bawumia kan wo ba bia so mo ye Poalugu Dam eni ade hey me pese etie for krati kakransa etie for mo de muntie Kojo Poku Safwa kakra na fe me ntutu ma adwene ma no
me pese me de asem bi tudwa kakra last week Thursday we called Joy MC Akoye Joy program. Now during the program no Abranti be friend Solomon Ofri UP party started all cancer be say and Dr. Bawumia se Poalugu Dam ma fan to no so kra na mo hwe ne ye challenge say Dr. Bawumia MBA na no be bia enka say Poalugu Dam is completed even for mamen cancer be sure se obi ketwi na se okase maye bibia
wa she
na wo de wo interpretation e de to so se osi maye no e kire se e completed a minister enye no credit
Asante ni papa na kaza sa no
which make us maye bibi
tie
we be say ade na ye no
tie
nso mi ye ba manya wi
tie
mama me no say me ye videos we no mo I don't think say NDC ni bi eni ho a na say opposition ni bi eni ho a me feel say o Dr. Bawumia say because Omonomo who say no MPP for Yako Akoto aba eyi ni party through or Brasilia said Dr. Bawumia.
Abu ba ade ba na ye no.
Party Ubie Kasa, or Pese or the Dr. Bawumia, Ebem. Now,
you were exposed. Oh.
Dr. Bawumia control. You remember South. You remember South. A deal can ya or say a truffle.
Oh.
You take room hey. Your projects big.
Some cry.
Now, interview now, Dr. Yena, as more kind of said, or say, Dam in 2020.
Will be framing
interview, no, 2020, before the 2020 elections. At that time, no, not parliament, a passing agreement, not there for every the first phase.
Montio
Project now almost the second phase. I should say, or so many Chinese for no sign agreement now, parliament, no, now, almost source for funding. But even $11.9 million was advanced to contractor. It is a doctor Ekasa. Now, Okase, a project referring to in the middle of Abina is in the middle of the project.
Avanfo, Mama me emphasize I say. Na menhwese menya yinsu so mamwachi a ne kokosi enti a wodi America yes adeway this is the video
has not said anywhere and
Muntie
this is I will not look. You are getting it down. Okay. Let him lie. Okay, but your producers must do us the greatest honor by playing the tape.
But I'm saying
the interview of Dr. Asempa is one of your sister stations so that we all are educated.
Muntie the pa. Exposé Kojo Kyeremanteng. Oh, you're true for number one.
And it's integrity matters. He still challenges, he's running his mouth. He is running. I envy you.
Stop that thing you do.
No. Why are your producers? Why are your producers doing this?
Dr. Bawumia said,
people can't repeat this.
Where did Dr. Bawumia say?
He said it on Asempa. He said it on Asempa. He said it on Asempa. He said it on Asempa.
Obiantie you.
Dr. Bawumia said anything.
He said it. You are lying in front of on television.
Get away with it. Produce it.
You are lying on that.
Produce the tape.
What are you talking about?
I'm challenging you to produce it.
But what are you people?
Produce that tape. There is no tape.
I have to give you the tape.
It is not yet.
Bring the tape.
No, but you play it now.
No, but you play it because we are at the crossroads.
I'll take all my time to bring that tape and give it the producer.
And I'm also challenging the producer who is refusing to pay that. It's deliberate.
Bring that tape. I'm challenging you.
It's deliberate.
Solomon, bring that tape.
They have it. I can buy it for next.
Please, bring that tape.
You must get the tape and play it.
You bring it.
I've been lying since morning.
Hang on, both of
you. Avanfo. Ye can't say. Sate ya semwana. Ye can't say akwakofa yabano. Akojo poku ensafwa. The di Abraham and the ni she every before no mu ditra ohun. Utimu se omutimi han wo mu ani ankasa no mu de ditro no. Chese between ho amentiase. Wo de me pese mu hwe na esi. Wo mu ba be bob tape no. Dr. Bawumia kasa o de muntie mu wi a.
Finish your statement before. Finish your statement.
Solomon.
He wants to post that Dr. Bawumia.
He never said that. Produce the tape.
Yeah, be produce tape no de nya botre.
This is national television.
This is the challenge both of you have thrown.
This is national television.
And I've also tasked my producer to find it. The question is, what are we finding as to whether Kwalugu Dam was completed?
Dr. Bawumia said that the Kwalugu Dam is completed.
Yes, that's it. And
he has never said that anywhere.
And unfortunately, that interview was conducted by Asempa.
Okay.
So you play it so that.
Okay, we have the tape.
That's right.
Let's go.
In
the northern part of
Obiantie
come from, and Mono, can you beat your chest and say, they are yet the signature project?
I think here the most important project in the north since independence. A Pwalugu Dam project.
Okay.
Is the biggest investment. So we're drawing books since independence.
Okay. As I watch it.
Government be by Pwalugu Dam. But we're here as a signature project and then number one, so there's no doubt about that. Pwalugu Dam.
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia had not said anywhere, and I tell him, hey, bring that straight.
So what, Marty? What's it?
I will not.
Good. Mami mposu wa hasi. Dia bika jinani se. Kojo poku nsafwa wa ye trufo. First class. Ana auditora watitipi suna so auditora. Upo se nani eche muno ho. Se wanye careful. What decide hanhanye no. Ebibu afa oso. Wa ye trufo first class. You were exposed on telly big time. No WhatsApp akoso Facebook. SH says obi kasa maya. Adede nkyerese wawie. What the yemfa ne se ne wo ka no kra yemfa gye adwuma. Se so okasa wa ya onwie ya. Wo yeduru he. Anwea kra ngu ho. Anwea ebi ngu ho. Not even a single block say eneda ho no. Ni pare so wa ya de no. Now betre TV so na o defend this indefensible ya. Na wo patre say. And this guy wanted to become a president of the nation. Kojo poku nsafwa. Aden abudi trosa. Aden. She me Ghana o politics the baby ayadru no. Mama yanhwe nnuama biye. Yanhwe nnuama biye. Because what they are trusting say ya na what they call that konya tumia now they are throwing the musa. It should not be so. It should not be so. I didn't you're white, we say you're white. And you're black, we say you're black. Now when the catcher say, what kind of crew must say I got a phone to Abama? When the cats are 73. Jesus would transit. Those days, years, 1992, and our team koka sembi, yasi o nipa simesi kwa ya chacha, etian to Abama no biaji to hey waya chacha dia, ene social media, abba, assembly of Bekebiano, nipa ne tele dem no a verify no who say who ditro. Etiasamo MB before a trono ya doso dodo. Ya doso. She before see babe ko yi na me ka say ye analyzing the question. Obi ebisa Dr. Bawumia. Wase doc wo free enough. Enti MPP ababa mu. E na obetimi de wonsa asi ubo project ben. Now we use the word signature. Signature project ben. You can say signature project. Like I said, a project will be able to say yes, I do this one. For example, what the Enfant say International Conference Center. Yabeka say a signature project. Yemfa baby to say Parliament Job 600. A signature project. Eti project bay and the dimupa ubeti bidu unsesi ubusu akase. Sa project we ani aye e wonof. Dr. Bawumia bien na noa wase eye Pwalugu Dam. Eno ene signature project or my onof. Eno ene da number 1. Because from ye can say independence. Aban biaba wase Pwalugu Dam. Aban biaba wase Pwalugu Dam. Omo pe ano mabe den o mababe ye. Ana ho asem ebe pie wo Auditor General's report mu. Ane koko pie wo Parliament. 2024. Ana monfo si na edi asemuni. Ana the then minority NDC for led by John Jinapo energy minister. Ana obutuka eni Pwalugu. Wamo de media for koye. amomko ko twa nso no ho nyina yanfa anwea one truck mpo ankwa nkogu ba bi ni akase wo mo de anwea wo ya ba begu ase a wo de ba be project no wo mo ho single block e wo hodom so on de no na wo ba betena TV so editro ehu me say it is time say ye de nokre politics in Ghana. I did your white a menko ka say black. Black a menko ka say white. Na yam fa nokre enchichire oban no. Eno ene beboa yen. Na wo sorry na wo ditro ehefa na wo dit atro no ko. Be say this time round Ghana for beto abama party obeka nokre e de akire omo enya ni obeditro party obeka nokre e de akire Ghana for no ana Ghana for ba bedi omochi eti polugu dam ne de you see at times no NDC for sa na obudi bedi mu so Auditor General's report captured when the Jesus Sikano ado de fahin a blog ba kokra na polugu dam ho anwea one trip mpo engu ho sabren kadi patience awom kama that Ghana for who say hey $12 million obi agi akwakodi no eno wo hyensa wom etua hoga ado moye di no obne nam wonum ado monya ano ado musa edi twitwa mo edi ne kai ka ho. What is the meaning of that? Why? Obi said, my brother, if KVIP is a signature project for them. So on the channel. Echi ya besre. Obaso na say you have people that you are free to go. What did they Obia ensure say ubejante, but you beka no kre no all the time. Me maka. Me say dachi bia no heavy hod mo baba na me gina gate ho. What jaze? Bo baba na me gina ho. Because you beka no kre e wo man yimu. Ye mfatro Emma me yehwe. De mum se ye ka no kre a eno ene beboa obi say camera na be aye bibi o hu Monchame, what is the problem? Let me know because obi atro okay me say kojo poku nsafua mon kanche ne say me say oye pathological liar. Oye pathological liar. Now, I don't know, say, the boss do no, I don't know. She, what him? What kind a year? John 8:44, or Cassim your home, I mean, a bit me, a be a can actually John 8:44. Obio ditrubia, Mundi. John 8:44. Why in the no bet my be? Oh, maybe. What they make catch them? That one. The entire many abra make us the same way. Yes. John 8:44. What say? You belong to your father, the devil, and you want to carry out your father's desire. He was a murderer from the beginning, not holding to the truth, for there is no truth in him. When he lies, he speaks his native language, for he is a liar and the father of lies. So much as here. Kojo Pokunsafwa eye naija pedie. Naija pedie no hwan. Wase liar de obi anim. Obi a odi trobia wo ye father of lies. Aden. Adiyaba. Ama wankasa omo I expose big time on live television. Live television. No asakwa ko trase. Asakwa ko so Facebook say wo chire mu say so bi ka say ya. I don't know. SC ebisa ne say wa wie anase wo wie ye. Wo de granted say wo wie ye. Wo ya do Ato foundation. Where is the foundation? Ya fa say the tractor koko juri baby. Koko chire baby a wa juri no. De ye hu say wo use ska e wo honom anadeboa. Nasi yakase chire signature project awaye wo north. Na ba betra hodom kase Polugu Dam. Na chire ebe be daddy say enye no kre. Na bom aban so so atua sika for that project. Na ye hu baby sika no fire. Nka ye din na kopa baby train. Wo sa ba betra no mu defend this ade we. Ah, MPP. Emre bia na meka amanfo say ana ye bitter, mejitum. But I think, say, for the next 30 years, MPP should not come close to power. Because of Sir Atro and Ada, our Bodeda Ghana Funti. Wamuntina opposition for the next 30 years. No Monsieur Bibi, a womb. She? Oh yeah, MPP near branch Baba. It will be in your own interest. Say MPP better opposition. MPP coffee. Petro. Say nani ye torono. What did you turn that year one? And then the na ye fo. First me fill me tank. Under MPP 1,900 if you grad 2,000 me fan say esa wo mu kra asol red kra no be failure if you have 2,200 and the same car be failure 1,300 asa wo mu kra na asol red no me failure 1,300 no kra so eye vapor na mito vapor. Eti, why they say, wadono, enya de. MPP di ben wakwa, wadono watono 17 cedis per liter. Yejina eto de 10, 11. Eti, ebwa yejina asoman. De panisi wawie. Oso ababejira hano babeye, tobe, say, obikasi wawia, as a siya bisa de say, wa complete and as one complete here. What kind of logic is that? What kind of logic? Hey, bon kanche Kojo Poku say, atro. Udi atro baby enye. Wanhwe ya obe the next person obeko Google. Say onu na the second liar in this country of ours. Ojai. What's the papa nka bia ya boachiro abu ate se papa de se ya ye ojina wo se twi gasa na nka e brofo mpo e na nka se okay ye nte brofo nti ye ya nti ase twi gasa Kojo Poku za ona ba be chire twi gasa memi amrani o so me sua asante twi me chira de me chire twi meti matro look wo pa man bibia sa me ntro de twi me twira ma etimi obi nkyere bitwi nanseni ani ss obi a wo monitor me from 2008 me tra radio so se me kasa chese brofo ba kokura mfam the country no raw because the audience me target audience no as so motive be can say because I walk kasa now the brofu frefrem na brofu no ye omo nti wase o lady no no won ko yi da no asem na wo kadi nyina no wa confuse no won ti ase eteda kojo pokunsa fo na ba be kire hawa yankatwi. Despite the fact say o papa de mamponte hine o free mamponte no doesn't mean say o teaching say obi a e wo kromase no ye bu bi yesua ye ti ase ye kan ye tro ye kenkan so ne panese wo wie wo so aba be gira ha no ba be ye tobe say obi kasi wa wie a asesi ebisa de say what say wa complete and as one complete here. What kind of logic is that? What kind of logic? Eti polugu dam ne die Bawumia editro ewo hodum.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.